up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Welcome to another vlogmas video. And today's video, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be showing you guys what's in my purse, but I'm actually going to be showing you guys the different ways in which you can wear this bag, which is why I love it so much, and I'm really happy with this bag that I got from Sinbono. I got it a couple weeks ago and I did a little unboxing in one of my vlogs. Also, if you're new here, my name is Brianna. I do lots of lifestyle, college productivity vlogs. Make sure you subscribe and catch up on all my videos if you've missed it. I also have been saving all of my vlogmas videos in a playlist, so it's easy for you guys to like catch up, because I know there's so many people doing vlogmas and so many videos being posted. So if you just want to catch up, you can click the playlist and watch from there. And I would like to thank Dossier for sponsoring today's video. But let's get into what is in my purse and how I wear it. First and foremost, this is the purse. It's cute and festive for holidays, so this is the perfect time to show you guys a little what's in my purse, because it's green, it's festive, and I'm obsessed with it. It's just like a really nice pop of color. Here's the purse. It's super cute. It's from Sinbono. So cute. It looks like really small, like it wouldn't fit a lot because of like the way it's shaped, but it actually does fit like all of my necessities, I would say. So first, before we get into what's in the bag, I'll show you guys the different ways you can wear it. So I've seen like reviews where people are like, oh, this is kind of like reminds me of like a bottega bag or like those little pouches, but you can obviously hold it like a little pouch without any strap, which is really cute. But you can have it as just like a little pouch to hold around in like pictures. So if you guys also want to see how I like wear different ways, to head over to my Instagram and follow me so you don't miss out. I've already worn it like twice in different pictures, so you can obviously wear it like that. You can wear it as like a little pouch and put it under your armpit like this. I've seen people style it like this and it's really cute. So that's without the strap. So when you put on this strap, you can obviously wear it as like a little shoulder bag. So again, for pictures, you can just kind of hold it like on your arm like this, because the strap is not huge, I would say, but it does fit over the shoulder. So I think it's cute like this as well. I'm gonna say cute 50 million times. So here's it with this strap. And another thing I like about this bag is you can make it an everyday bag. You can wear it with bummy outfits. You can wear it like, you can dress up like bummy casual outfits and it'll make you look put together. And obviously you can wear it, dress it up with any going out look, and you just look like that bitch. So, and then of course with the gold strap, it's so freaking cute. You can even do both straps at the same time as well, which I'll show after. But again, I think this one over the shoulder is like the best way. Like I literally would wear this every day. And it's a little bit longer this way, so it looks really cute. And to make it look a little bit different, you could also leave both straps on. So if you want to just have like the gold detail, I would say you can still wear it over the shoulder and just have the gold. I think that really just kind of like breaks it up. Really different and really cute. And now let's talk about what is inside. We have a gold button, and so obviously it fits my phone, which is great. So this also shows you what it fits, because I know with bags you want it to be able to carry your necessities. That's why I have another bag that's bigger that can fit a little bit more, and then I have this that'll fit just a little bit less, but it still fits my necessities, which is a must for me personally. So in the big pocket in the center, you can technically, so I'm going to show you guys. So I would definitely obviously be having to fit my keys in, and this is great because it fits my cards, but if I did need some loose cash, I can fit it in here. But if you have a wallet that is similar to this style, where you can put like obviously all your cash in and cards, it would still fit that. So I just wanted to share that it would still fit that, as well as my phone. It would just be a tighter squeeze with my keys. So just wanted to point that out. So of course my keys and stuff, but it's great that I have the ability to put my cash and stuff in that. So in one little pocket that's on the side, I like, again, I think I mentioned this in another what's in my purse like over a year ago, but I feel like having a pen in your bag is definitely important, because I feel like whenever you go places, sometimes you need to sign something. It's good to have like your own pen handy. So I just have this little Muji pen. It's small, it's simple. My AirPods are super small, so they fit as well in the little pocket. I will say the pockets, they don't close. So my other bag, it does close, so I can fit a little bit more and kind of like zip it tight if I need to. But this one, since it's just like loosely opened and it's not as like wide on the bottom, so it's kind of just like a thin little pouch, so it doesn't hold as much. And then in this little slot right here that's green, it's a little deeper. So I have my little Merit tinted oil in here, which I wore this for Thanksgiving actually, so if I needed to reapply, but I like it. It's such a simple and subtle color. It's like a little bit darker than my lip shade, so it's a tinted lip oil. And then this is something that is, and also I have my pepper spray on my keys, so if you need a pepper spray, get them. Like anybody, like you all should be carrying pepper spray or something, especially with everything going on in the world. Like lots of crazy shit happens all the time, so get yourself something. And then this is literally like my favorite thing to carry, because I'm someone, my nails are long right now, shocker, I need to get them done. But what I say is, I'm the type of person that will pick at my nails if I'm stressed, if I'm anxious. Like I'm like a nail picker. I don't bite my nails, but I will pick at it. So having a small little nail file is so ideal for me. And I feel like, I don't know if a lot of people bring this around with them, but if you're anything like me and you are like touching your fingers or your nails a lot, like my boyfriend is constantly telling me stop, but if there's ever like a little edge of my nail that seems like it's splitting, I file it so that I don't break off my nail. So key for me. You're welcome if I just made you think of something. And then lastly, 2 little sample sizes of my Dossier perfumes. So if you guys are unfamiliar with Dossier, they reproduce luxury high-end scents. So they have cologne, perfume, literally all type of scents, from super fruity to really like musky and stuff, and they go for $29 compared to these retail luxury scents that can go up to like $250, which is crazy. So I always have my Dossier, the big ones, right here on my little vanity tray next to my bed. But what's great is having these little sample sizes, so I like to keep them in my purse. If let's say I were to forget to spray perfume for any reason, I'll have some in my bag. Like I've done that before, where let's say like my house is like, my mom was cooking or something, and I don't want to smell like food or anything, and I forget to spray perfume. I'm like, oh, I have some in my purse. So it's great for that reason. It's also great to just reapply if you ever just want to freshen up really quickly. And so these are really small. Even these are small, so that if you were traveling, I feel like you can definitely put this in like a little bag. I believe you'd be able to do so because it's 1.7 fluid ounces. So I think you would still be able to like travel with this, but I'm not going to bring a big bottle in my purse when I have my little samples. So definitely check them out. The link to shop will be down below, and also you can use my code BriannaF10 at checkout. And if you are last minute Christmas shopping, this is a great gift idea for literally anybody, like any person you need to buy for. If you need to buy cologne, perfume, whatever you need, they have it. And they have such a wide variety of the different the different luxury inspired scents, from like Tom Ford, Versace. So they really have it all. And yeah, that is pretty much what is in my purse. I've been obsessed with it. I've had it for over a month and a half, maybe even 2 months, and I love it. I can't say enough good things about it. Really good quality, and it fits a ton even as a small little purse. So I'll also link it below for you guys if you guys are interested, and comment down below what you carry in your purse and like your must-haves that you carry with you at all times. And I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure to like and subscribe.